This 2024 Dutchmen Astoria Half-Ton 230 megaliters is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, skylight, microwave, external shower, water heater, oven, awning, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Dutchmen Astoria Half-Ton 230 megaliters is 7,380 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.